Good morning, student. Today we discuss long answer question of chapter 4th year geography. In previous video we already discussed short and very short questions. First question is describe the structure of the atmosphere. Draw a diagram also. In this question we write all component of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, and write two lines about there, and then also label a diagram of the atmosphere. Okay. The answer is atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Now first, troposphere. It extends up to height of 8 km at the pole and 18 km at the equator. All weather phenomena such as cloud, fog, rainfall, hail, storm, lightning are taken place in this layer. Troposphere, all weather phenomena are take place in this layer. Now second, stratosphere. This layer extend up to 50 km above the troposphere, and a stratosphere contain ozone which absorb the ultraviolet radiation for the sun and make the surface for human survival. Being a cloud-free zone, no weather phenomena take place. This layer is ideal for jet flying. This layer is ideal वायुयान के लिए आदर्श ये stratosphere. Now in mesosphere, the third layer extend up to height of 80 km. Here the temperature reaches minus 100 degrees centigrade at the height of 80 km. Meteorites burn up in this layer as they enter from space. Meteorites burn up in this layer as they enter from space. Okay. Now in thermosphere, this layer extend up to height of more than 400 km. This layer contain ions which are particles that reflect the radio wave back to the earth and enable wireless communication. It is also called ionosphere due to the presence of ion. ओके थर्मोस्फीयर में क्या होगा? वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, रेडियो वगैरह का जो वेव लेंथ होता है ये सब आपको इस थर्मोस्फीयर में. नाउ इन एक्सोस्फीयर, this is uppermost layer which extend up to height of 1600 km. The air is very thin, containing gases like helium, hydrogen, and some also inert gas that float into space from here. The diagram is here. This one is the Earth, 12 km troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere 80 km. This one is the range. Thermosphere 320 km and 1600 km, that is exosphere. Okay. Now second question. What are the different type of winds? Describe each giving example. There are broadly 3 type of winds. Permanent winds, that is also called planetary winds. These are wind which blow constantly blow in a particular direction throughout the year. सालों भर एक ही डायरेक्शन में. Example, wind blow from subtropical high pressure belt to equatorial low pressure belt and are called trade winds. Winds originated from western direction and are called westerlies. winds blow from the polar high pressure belt to the subpolar low pressure belt are called polar wind. Okay. Second is seasonal wind, that is also called periodic wind. The wind that change their direction in different season during the year. Different season during the year. You know that in a year many different type of season. They blow during a specific season. In India, they blow June to September and bring rain to the whole country. Okay. Now, local wind blow during a particular period of the day or year. These winds have some specific characteristics and blow over a small area. For example, you know that land breeze and sea breezes. They are known by their local name like Lu. Lu are the hot and dry local winds blowing in northern India in summer, and cyclone and anticyclone are variable winds. Okay. Now in next question, describe the different forms of the precipitation. The different types of form of precipitation is rain, snow, hail and sleet. Now we write few point about rain, snow, hail and sleet. First one is rain. Rain is any liquid that drop from the cloud in the sky. Droplet less than half millimeter are defined as drizzle. Rain is the most common component of the water cycle, and rain is also the huge source of water. The instrument used for measure rain is called rain gauge. Second one is snow. Snow occur almost every time there is rain, but before falling it melts and converts into rain. The process of snow precipitation is called snowfall. You know that. Sleet. Sleet takes place in freezing atmospheric condition. Sleet is also known as ice split. Sleet is often experienced during thunderstorm. And hail, ओला, जिसको हम लोग कहेंगे ओला. Hail storm and big ball are irregular lumps ice that fall on earth in the form of large thunderstorm. Hail is purely solid precipitation. Okay. And now in next video we discuss about some remaining question and hot question, high order thinking skill question. Okay. Thank you very much.